The holiday brunch for people who don't like to cook. It's the half homemade cinnamon roll. Look how great she looks. Look at this. Look at all the gooiness happening. 3 ingredients, 30 minutes. Your family's gonna go bananas. Gonna pair pumpkin cinnamon rolls with pumpkin butter, but you could do just the regular cinnamon rolls with like that cinnamon spread from Trader Joe's, or quite frankly, anything you want. Here's what we're gonna need. A can of cinnamon rolls, pumpkin butter. This is just the season, so I thought this would be a good one. Didn't break. And some half and half. You can also use heavy whipping cream here. And if you want to do something non-dairy, just make sure it's got enough fat in it because we need a little fat. You'll see why here in a second. I'm going to put them all in a little pie pan. Use whatever you've got. A cake tin works great. I'm going to do 1 can of these guys. If I was doing 2, I would do it like in a 9 by 13. We've got the oven turned to 350 right now. So warming her up because it does need to be preheated. Let's go to the cabinet. The best part is you don't need to write any of this down. Let's open these puppies up. This is the hardest part of the whole recipe. Any brand is gonna work here. I just found these guys and they have a pumpkin flavor to them. I thought that sounds delicious. So we're going with these guys. Don't worry about them falling apart right now because we kind of need that to happen. Take your frosting packet. And we're gonna set this to the side. We are gonna use this in a little bit. So unroller. Go diagonally across the old cutting board because she's a little longer than I expected. Come in with the pumpkin butter. And we're just gonna repeat this step on every roll until we're done. Roll her up. It's not the neatest thing you're ever gonna make. She's a little messy, but when it comes to cinnamon rolls, messy is good. messy is really good. Here's the nice thing about this. These guys are looking very homemade-y, if you will. That's one of my favorite terms, homemade-y. Half homemade. Look how good they look. The filling is nice and thick in there. All of a sudden, they've been elevated to a new level. And we're not done. But wait, there's more. I missed that commercial. I actually missed that commercial. Third ingredient, final step. A little bit of half and half, or if you have heavy cream, that works too. Again, play with your own flavors here. This does not need to be my combination. We're gonna do a half a cup of milk in this guy. So let me pour out half a cup of milk for us. There we go. And now we're just gonna pour it on the bottom of the cinnamon rolls. So come on in for this shot, it's very satisfying. It's very satisfying. Just pour it in the bottom of the pan, and as the rolls bake, they're gonna soak this up. There we go. There we go. I know it looks odd right now. It does, it looks odd. You're thinking to yourself, I don't know, sis. Okay, here we go. Let's stick them in the oven. We're gonna put our pan on top of another pan. And you're probably wondering why we're gonna do this. Your heat goes to this pan instead of those rolls. It's a great little hack. Okay. Oh my word. Oh. What? All right, well, here's the thing. You always wanna look in your oven before you turn it on. In case there's a quilt or in case there's some old pizza boxes in there. Oh, brother. Oh. In case you thought I was pretending to be a mom, there's the proof. Okay, well, back to the cinnamon rolls. Let's take these guys and put them in the oven 25 to 30 minutes. There we go. Oh yeah, look how good they look. Look at that. The cream puffed up and the cinnamon rolls on the bottom soaked that in. I guarantee it. They look so good. I'm gonna grab a really large coaster. Yeah, take a peek at those. Take a peek at them. Oh my gosh, they look so good. And come in close for this because this is gonna be very satisfying. Here we go. Yep. We're gonna use the entire packet for obvious reasons. So get every little morsel out of that. Wow. Yep. I know, you didn't think they could get any better, but they just did. They just did. Come in and take a look. As you can see, the milk has seeped into the cinnamon rolls. That half and half is all but gone. The cinnamon roll has taken that in, has puffed up nicely. And they should taste even better. Let's pull one of these puppies out and see what happens. Moment of truth coming out. This is because we added that half and half. This is what happens when you add a little bit of heavy cream, half and half. Yeah. Let's put her on the plate. See how moist she is? Nice and moist, but yet she's cooked. Let's dig right in. Let's see. Get that filling in here. That pumpkin butter is a home run. Let me cut straight into her. I want you to see this. Look at this. Look at all that gooey pumpkin butter happening in there. It's incredible. You need to make these immediately. This is what you're gonna make this holiday season. Any day of the week. Oh, it's fantastic. Look at this. Look at this, it's ridiculous. All we did was add a little bit of filling and some half and half. That was it. That was it. It's amazing. I can't wait for you to try these. These are gonna change your holiday game.